With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that the density of oxygen is 16 times the density of hydrogen. Okay. What is the relation between speeds of sound in the two gases? Okay. So basically in the question it's given that density of hydrogen, basically oxygen, is equal to density of hydrogen times 16. Okay. 16 times density of hydrogen. So I am writing the notations over here that rho O is basically density of oxygen and rho H is equal to density of hydrogen. Got it? So basically we all know that the speed of sound varies in different mediums. So how we know that? We know it from a formula that V, which is the speed of the sound, is equal to under root of gamma into P divided by rho. Okay, this is P. Okay, not rho. This is P and down is rho. Okay, so over here, or we can also write it as under root of B, which is the Bulk's modulus, by rho. Okay, so we are not using this right now. So basically we see this gamma into P by rho. So basically in both cases atmospheric pressure is only used, so P is same and gamma is also same. Okay, in both cases, because both are happening in earth only. Okay, both are happening in means air only. So basically in atmospheric pressure, so basically the density is different but the pressure and gamma is basically the same. Okay, so gamma is same. So if we write for hydrogen, we'll get, let's write it for both the things, that VO, and we write one more thing, VO is equal to velocity of sound in oxygen, and basically VH is velocity of sound in hydrogen. Okay, I'm not writing it right now because it will get messed up over here. So velocity of, we need to find the relation between speeds of sound between the two gases. So VO by, basically VO will be equal to under root of gamma P by rho O. Okay, and VH will be equal to under root of gamma P by rho H. Okay, so if you see these two equations, we have to basically divide it to find the relation. So if we divide equation 1 by 2, okay, 1 divided by 2, okay, so what we're gonna get, basically V naught by VH will be equal to, let's suppose one thing, let's take one thing, that let's take rho naught is equal to rho, basically rho H is equal to rho. Okay, and basically let's take rho O is equal to 16 rho. Okay, so this will give us a little better chance for in a question, so you will not get confused over here. So what we'll get, basically we'll get a value of under root of gamma P by rho naught, okay, rho O divided by under root of gamma P by rho H. Okay, so by cancelling everything, will this rho P and rho P will get cancelled, and basically we'll be left with one thing, that is VO by VH will be equal to under root of rho H by rho O. Okay, so what we'll write now, we will substitute the thing from equation, let's suppose this is 3. Okay, so we'll substitute the thing from equation 3. From 3, VO by VH will be equal to under root of, basically rho by 16 rho. Okay, so we'll get, finally our answer will be VO by VH will be equal to under root 1 by 16. Okay, and finally VO 4 times VO must be equal to VH. Okay, this is basically the relation, means velocity of sound in hydrogen is 4 times velocity, 4 times the velocity of sound in oxygen. Got it? So this is basically the relation formed, and this is basically our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.